Here, my dear kids, first we will see Hindu-Arabic system. In Hindu-Arabic system, that means what we usually use, these numbers, these symbols we use, okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 10 symbols which we can use, okay? 1 to 9 and plus 0. These are the 10 symbols we use to write any number. For example, I am writing here 3260. Okay, 2895. Any number, okay? 9862. 5555. 2000 only. 1263. Will you, if you observe these numbers, what symbols we use here? Only these 10. From these 10 symbols we use here. Using these symbols, we can form any number in Hindu-Arabic system. Any number we can form using these symbols. Okay? Whatever number you want to write, maybe it's too big, then also we will these symbols only. We can repeat these symbols many times. Suppose I want to write one number here, a very big number. See, I repeat this 9 many times. This is a number. This is the one number which we can read also. Okay? But it's not wrong. Is it? No, we can use this symbol many times in Hindu-Arabic system. Okay, using these symbols we can write any number also. But sometimes on a clocks or on watches, we can see this type of numbers. Can you see? But this is I, if I'm not wrong. It's double I, triple I, IV, V, VI, isn't it? Sometimes we can see this number in the place of that. These are the Hindu-Arabic number. But these are Roman numerals. In Roman, they use this type of letter to write a number. They don't know what is this. They are not aware about this. They use this alphabets to write any number. Okay. In Roman numeral, generally they use, here in the Hindu-Arabic we use 10 symbols, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Here in Roman numerals, they use 7 symbols only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the letters from the English alphabet, isn't it? But using this letter, they write the number also. What they write? Number. How many symbols they in the Roman numerals they used to write the number? 7. Using these 7 symbols, they can also write any number. So what is the value of this letters? This letter I is equal to 1. In Hindu-Arabic, we write 1. This is 5. This is V, that means 5. X, that means 10. L means 50. C means 100. D means 500. And M means 1000. Got it? What is the difference between the Hindu-Arabic and the Roman numerals? In Hindu-Arabic, we use 10 symbols to write the number. With the help of this symbol, we can write any number. In Roman numerals, we use 7 symbols to write any number. Which are the 7? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. What is the value of these letters? I stand for 1, V is equal to 5. We write X for the 10, L for the 50, C for the 100, D for the 500 and M for the 1000. Got it? Now we will see how to write the number. Here in the Hindu Arabic system, there is no rule to write a number. We can write means whatever we want. Only we know that if the 0 is the left side of the number, that means no value. It's 1 only. Okay, but here some rules we have to follow. Okay, otherwise that number will be wrong. We cannot read the number then. Okay, see what is the rule over here. The first rule is, from these symbols I, X, C and M, I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times maximum. Here, my dear kids, we can see I. Can I circle this number? I, then V, then I'm really sorry, not V, I, X, then C and M. These letters we can repeat maximum 3 times. Got it? Maximum 3 times. Continuous we can write this number 3 times only, not more than 3. How? See, we'll see. I have to write the number 1, so I'll write I because this is the number 1 in the Roman numerals. If I want to write number 2, so I'll put 1, 2, 2I. This is 2. If I want to write 3, then I'll write 1, 2, 3I. This is 3. If I want to write 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I cannot write. Why? Because this rule says we cannot repeat these letters more than 3 times. More than 3 times we cannot use this letter. Then how should we write the 5? I'll explain, okay? But please remember these letters I, X, C, M, that means 1, 10, 100, 1000. 1, 10, 100, 1000 we can use maximum 3 times, not more than 3 times. For example, X. X, it stands for 10. This is 10. X, that means what? 10. If I want to write 20, I can write 10, 10, 20. If I want to write 30, I can write 1, 2, 3. This is 30. If I want to write 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, I cannot write. Why? We can repeat this number only 3 times, not more than 3 times. If this stands for the 100. C, that means what? 100. If I write double C, that means 200. If I write triple C, that means 300. But I cannot write 4 times C for the 400. Can I? No. Why? Because this rule says I, X, C, M can be repeated 3 times maximum. Got it? Hope so you got it, because already we have learned 2 times. Now it's a 3rd time. Here's rule number 2. This letter we start from the 5. This is 5, 50 and this is 500. This is 1. Sorry. This is 1, 10, 100 and 1000. These numbers start from the 1, which we can repeat from maximum 3 times. These numbers start from the 5. V, that means 5. L means 50. D means 500. 5, 50, 500 can be never repeated. This number we cannot repeat it. We cannot repeat it. Okay. Suppose this is the V star. V is for 5. Okay. Now V is for 5. I want to write 10. That means 5 plus 5. So I cannot write, suppose I want to write 10. So I cannot write, VV. It's wrong, because this V are never repeat in the Roman numeral. That means not 55 also, okay? It is not the 10 and it is not the 55, because we cannot repeat V. Same like the L also. This is 50. 50 is for the L. Now I want to write the 50-50 like this, 50-50. So I cannot write double L. This is wrong. Why? Because what our rule says? Our rule says V, L and D are never repeated. Same like D also. If I want to write this number, so can I write D for this and the D for this? No. We cannot write, we cannot repeat the D. We cannot repeat V, L and D. Okay. More than one time we cannot write. And I, X, C, M, which start from the 1, 10, 100 and 1000, we can, this is 1000, okay, sorry. 1, 10, 100 and 1000, we can repeat it maximum 3 times. Got it, dear kids? Again we will see this. See, in Hindu Arabic system, we use these 10 symbols to write any number. Got it? Using these symbols, we can write any number. In the Roman numerals, using these 7 symbols, we have to write numbers. We write the numbers using this symbol. Here, we don't have so many rules, but here we have to follow these 2 rules. This I, X, C, M, that means 1, 10, 100, 1000 can be repeated 3 times maximum. More than 3 times we cannot write these numbers. Which number? I, X, C, M. Learn it. Okay? Learn these things, these 7 symbols and these 2 rules. And the second rule is V, L, D, that means 5, 50 and 500 are never repeated. Now then, how should we form the number when we cannot repeat it? Let's see. For that thing, we have to do subtraction and addition. Now what is this and how should we supposed to do? Let's see. Here the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many numbers are here? 5. For 1, we know that 1 is there. For 2, we know that double I. For 3, we know that triple I. For 4, I don't know because there is no symbol for the 4. And we cannot repeat it this thing also more than 3 times. But for 5, one symbol is there, V. Isn't it? V symbol is there. We can see here. V is for 5. So that means for the 5, we can write V. V. Now what about the 4? How should we write the 4? My dear kids, 4 comes before 5, right? This 4 comes before 5. And what is the difference? 1. What is the difference between them? 1. It's a before number. Okay. What is the before number of 5? 4. That means 1 number difference is there. This 4 is less than 1. Okay. Less 1 from the 5 compared to 5. So we will write 5 and we will write 1 at the left side of the number. It will become 4. What is this? 4. For example, see. If I write 5 and if I write 1 before 5, that means left side of the 5, it's become 4. It's become 4. We can write 1, we can write 2, we can write 3, but we cannot write 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, we cannot write. Why? Because we cannot repeat this symbol more than 3 times. So this is the wrong. So we cannot write this way. Then how should we write the number 4? We know the symbol for the number 5. Okay. If we subtract 1 from the V, that time we will get number 4. But for that, we have to write this 1 left side of the V. Okay. Please remember this. We have to write this number left side of the V. Now, dear kids, we know numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 we know that. Okay. Now we will write 6. But there is no symbol for 6 also. So how can we write? 6 means what? 5 plus 1. So we'll write 1 at the right side of the number. That means we are going to add number 1 and number 5. And how should we supposed to add? This is number 6. This is number 6. See, number 4, that means 5 minus 1. And number 6, that means 5 plus 1. So this is 4 and this is 6. Please don't confuse here, okay dear kids. If you do the lots of practice, then it will be very clear to you. This is number 4, this is number 6. Why it is 4? Because this I is left side of the V. And why it is 6? Because the I is right side of the V. When we write the smaller number left side of the bigger number, that means minus, subtract. And when we write the smaller number in front of the bigger number, that means right side of the bigger number, that time it's addition. Subtraction, addition. To write the number 4, we do the subtraction. To write the number 6, we do the addition. Now we know that number 6, so we can write number 7 same like this. 7 V plus, for 2 we know that V plus 2, that means 7. Here 8 V, 1, 2, 3, 8. Now how should I write number 9? How can? Because I cannot write like this. Suppose 8 is like this, V, 1, 1, 1, this is the 8. But I cannot write like 9 this. Why? Because we cannot repeat these symbols more than 3 times, and 3 times already we have used 1, 2, 3. So we cannot use this 4th time. Then how should we write number 9? Same like a 4. Because we have the symbol for the 10. And this is the X. X means what? 10. And what we think, if we subtract 1 from the X, then what we will get? This is the X. I want to subtract 1 from the X. Subtraction, that means the left side we have to write. 1 minus 10 is equal to 9. If we subtract the 1 from the 10, what is the answer? 9. What is the answer? 9. After 1, count till 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry. After 1, count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the number? 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 4, 9. So what is the answer? 9. That means when we subtract the 1 I from the X, so we will get the number 9. That means this is number 9. Okay. And if we add 1, so which number is this? This is 11. This is 11. Let's we'll write the number, then we'll get understand. Okay. Here we know for the 1 we have the symbol I. For 2 we can write double I. For 3 we can write triple I. For 4 we don't know for 4, but we know for the 5. This is 5. Okay. If we subtract 1 from the 5, that means we will get the number 4. This is number 4. Okay. This is number 4. 5. Then 6 we know that V plus 1, 6. V plus 2, 7. V plus 3, 8. And we know for the 10, so we'll write 10 minus 1, that means 9. My dear kids, if you remember these two numbers, no, 4 and 9, then all things are so easy. Okay, just remember 4 and 9. Teach your siblings, teach your parents how to form the Roman numerals. So you will get better, you will understand it very nicely, very clear. All doubts will be clear when you will teach to your parents or siblings. Okay. Now we will write number 11. 11, that means 10 plus 1. So we will write 10 first and 1. That means 11. 12 means what? 10 plus 2. So we will write 10 plus 2. Then 10 plus 3. Okay. But here we cannot write 4 times because it will be against our rule. Then we have to write number 4. And what is the symbol for the number 4? This is. Now this is the symbol for the number 4. So we'll write X, I, V, number 4. Number 5, number 15, 10 plus 15. Sorry, 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 6, 16. This is the symbol for 6. 10 plus 7, that means 17. 10 plus 8, that means 18. 10 plus 9. This is for the 9, okay? 10 plus 9, 19. 10 plus 10, 20. We can repeat this. Got it? Hope so, dear children. You are getting it. Okay. Now we'll write the number 21. What is 20? 2 x, 2 times x. So 20, that means 2 times x. And what is 21? 20 plus 1. 20 plus 1. This is tens plus, this is ones plus. That means this is 20 plus 1. So 20 plus 1 will write like this. Then 20 plus 2. Then 20 plus 3, that means 23. 20 plus 4, 24. 4. Okay. 20 plus 5, 25. 20 plus 6, 26. Then 20 plus 7, 27. 20 plus 8, 28. 20 plus 9. This is the symbol for 9. Okay. And 30, that means 1, 2, 3. Okay, dear children. Hope so you got it. Now one more thing, you might be confused. If I want to write 39, so we have number 30. Now I want to write 39. So I'll write 1, 2, 3. Okay, 30. For the 9, I will use the 9 symbol. This is IX. This is number 39. Now might be you have a question, ma'am, here we use the X, that means the symbol, more than 3 times and it's against the rule. We can write like this, but we cannot repeat it continuously. This is wrong. This is right. This is separate 9. I is here, no? In between. So this is separate number 9. And this is 30. 39. But we cannot write, we cannot repeat it continuously. Okay? Hope so you got it.